how are you? Hi Debus, hi Vishal, hi everybody. Welcome to the live. So as promised, this live is for my white treadmill, which I just got from Power Max Fitness. And this is one of the product on which I received so many queries. My DM was flooded with your messages that please tell us the price, please tell us the specifications, how it works, or what is special with this treadmill. Well, I am here to show you all. Hi Kishan. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. I will answer your questions. But for now, let me show you how this treadmill looks. Why is this a beauty and why you should get it. So this is the front of this treadmill. It's from Power Max Fitness as tagged. And this is the beautiful screen. We have controls for speed. We have 3, 6, 9, 12. We can also manually incline it. So they have given us 3 levels for the incline. It is a foldable treadmill, so you can also fold it and keep it anywhere you like to keep. So this is the stand. It is in white color, which is the best part of this treadmill. I've never seen a treadmill in white color, and it goes completely with my house. Okay, the best part which I recently found out about this treadmill is it has a Bluetooth speaker in it. What better than that? So you can connect your phone directly with this treadmill via Bluetooth and listen to any songs or play any movie or Netflix or whatever you want to watch. It also has a stand for a tablet or a phone if you want to keep. And what else do we have? It's a sleek treadmill, so you can also keep it under your bed if you have that space. So it's only this much, and right now it's going on discount. If you use my code Bandagi and order this today itself, you will get almost 10k discount, which is like a very big discount for a treadmill. So if you are looking for this, please order today. Rest now, I will take your questions. So if you want to ask anything about this treadmill, you can ask me, because my DM was really flooded with this. Hi Payal. So I think there was a problem with the net. So somebody was asking me the brand name of this treadmill. It's from Power Max Fitness. I've already tagged the brand and it's on the comment also, so you can ask. Price. So it's originally priced at 54,000, but right now if you order and if you use my coupon code, which is my name Bandagi, BANDGI, you will get a 10,000 rupees discount, which is only for today. What is the price of my dress? Okay, we'll talk about my dress later. What is the price of this treadmill? So right now this treadmill is on a discount. It's around 45,000 after the discount if you use my coupon code. Model number, this is TDM3. Wait, you can see here it's TDM3. It's on their website. I've already shared it. It's on my highlights also. You can go to my highlights. You can check the treadmill highlight. You will see and get all the details you want to have for this treadmill, which is a beauty. Please add me. We'll add you later. This is only about my treadmill. Only because you guys asked me to come live. And from where you can buy? You can buy it from Power Max Fitness. You can check the comment. You can check my highlights. and if you order today or if you book it today, you will get 10,000 rupees discount, which is very big. Thank you. Anything else you want to ask? How to order? You can go to Power Max Fitness account and you can order from them, or you can go to my stories, use my coupon code Bandagi, and you can get an amazing discount. The price right now, I've told many times, it's 45,000 after the discount. I'll add you later. Shows Tim will show you later. Okay, any other question? कौन से colors हैं? There are many colors and there are many variety in this treadmill, so you can check their website. They have everything available. You bought? Oh, that's great, Rudy. So Rudy has bought it already. It's for 44,000, he says. Detox. No, I'm going to start my detox next month, not right now. Yes, I already did. What is the actual price? Anjali, you check my stories and you will find it. Right now it's on a discount, but it's only for today. Only if you use my code Bandagi, you will get 10,000 rupees discount, which is very big and very generous of them to give to my followers. Thank you, it's me. It's called TDM3. That's the model name. Okay, any other questions? Anything you want to ask? Website name, it's from Power Max Fitness. I have already tagged them on the comment, so you can check there. Thank you. Hi Rishi. I also bought, ma'am, worth 44,000. Oh, that's great. Congratulations. Please tag me in your stories. I will repost them. Let's work out together on the same treadmill. Thank you, Anjali. Is there anything I'm missing about it? No, I think I've told you everything. So there are speed controllers here also. You can also move it up in case you are doing sprinting, so that this doesn't disturb you. And we have a tablet space, we have controlled speeds, and you can fold it completely, which I will show you in pictures so you understand. You can also check on the website. Saurabh Pandey is saying, I also bought it, worth rupees 44,000. Great, Saurabh, congratulations and thank you. Let's work out together now. So you might have used my coupon code, which is Bandagi, my name only. Northeast India, can I get? I'm sure you can get. Your name is Yanilo. Yes, Yanilo, you can get. You can check with them on their website. I have also given their number on my highlights, so you can call them and ask them. Okay, is there anything else you want to know? Can I get in Northeast India? I think you can, but then you will have to call and ask them. Yanilo, everything is on my highlights. Go to my highlights and check treadmill highlight, which is the first one. So I've given the number also, you can call them. I am also okay. Yeah, so my coupon code is Bandagi, which is BANDGI. Just bought 2 days ago, 54K. Oh, you missed my coupon code, Anmol. It's okay. You can use it on any other product if they allow. Okay, Power Max has also joined us. They're saying yes, they can deliver it to Northeast India. So Yanilo, you can order it. But please use my coupon code, which is available for today only. If you want, I can ask them to extend the coupon code. Their number is available on the website. Their number I've mentioned on my highlights, so you can go check the highlights. Which colors are available for treadmill? There are many other colors, but I think in another model, not this one. If Power Max is here, please tell me if you have any other colors in this. But I love the white one. If you are ordering the white one and if you get it, please tag me in your stories. Love from Nepal, thank you. I think I've told you everything about the treadmill. The best part is it has a Bluetooth in it. So whenever I'm working out, I always connect my phone and I don't need anything else. I don't need the headphones or the AirPods, nothing. It has an amazing sound quality. Okay, I'll give you the details about this dress later on, but not right now. We're talking about only one brand, and which is Power Max Fitness, about my treadmill. Yanilo, thank you. Looking forward for your treadmill, Yanilo. Okay, any more questions about the product? Any more questions about the treadmill? Something about BB14. We'll talk about that later. Hi Harsh. Take my name, take my name. There's so many people asking me to take their name. Bandgi is the name. Okay guys, any more questions on this treadmill? Yes, I do every exercise. Thank you. I try to work out daily at least 5 or 6 times a week. And that was the main reason that I wanted a treadmill. I wanted a treadmill to keep myself fit because of the lockdown and everything. Gyms are closed, so you need something to work out at home, and cardio is not that easy. So thanks to Power Max Fitness, I got my pretty treadmill, which you can also get. If you want to order, you can order today. You can use my coupon code, which is Bandagi, and get 10,000 rupees discount. Hi Palak. मैं भी like black करूँगा. Black, okay. Yeah, there are so many black treadmills. Okay, I think I've covered everything about this pretty machine. And guys, we are done. I have given you all the details you wanted. And any overweighted man or woman can yes, ANK Jan. This machine can handle 100 kgs of weight, and if you want more, then I think you can check their website. They have many other options available. Thank you, Shweta. Okay guys, I'll see you tomorrow or maybe the next time when I come live. And user, I will tell you about my dress in the story. Thank you guys for joining.